Mind the doors. Doors closing.
Marks and Spencer's Dundrum. Even a bit more audible, I'm wearing a visor instead. 0.6. Look at door closed.
First floor.
Before I've seen this lift, I haven't seen light at door closed. Hold.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Two voiced lift. 1 second. Moment, please. Right, this film is going to be done one-handed. And then this is quite fast. It's 2 meters a second. Dundrum.
Sixth floor.
8th floor? What? No. No.
Opening.
No, this is the 6th floor. One.
Going down. Doors closing.
No, this is the 6th floor, not the fucking 8th floor. Dundrum, there's the Lewis Bridge. Here we go. I'll stop at the 5th floor, see what it says. Never mind. First floor says, okay, so it's 1, 2.
Third floor. Doors.
So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's stupid. Too close.
First floor.
No,
Doors opening.
and if 2 left, right again. Going down. Atrium, it's deader than usual. Next. It's slower, I think this is 1.6. VR buttons. We're going to 3. Require assistant free phone bot. There's info 2004 that's wrong, or no, it is right for once. It's installed in 2004, refurbished 2016 to update this and that will be it. Now on to M&S